At least I know I went down swinging. Supposed to be?
I am merely the conduit of the great hope that surrounds us all. I am Saint Walker, and I believe I am the first Blue Lantern in the universe.
Thanks for the power boost. One extra soldier ain't exactly gonna turn the tide.
I agree. That's why I brought a friend.
I am honored to help Green Lantern Killowog.
Now that's more like it. You go, Mogo! You know, considering my backup is a couple of rookies, I'm starting to feel lucky.
Don't put your trust in luck, friend. She is fickle.
Sorry. Shoot it, Mogo! Now! Liberators. Planet killers. Hey, Moonface, that blue ring of yours is boosting me, so why ain't it boosting Mogo?
I think I have to be within a certain proximity to a green power ring to amplify its power. Mogo's is inconveniently located, miles below the surface.
I got an idea. Let's hope this works.